Visiting friends in Scarborough, Toronto, I was introduced to Bluffers Park on Lake Ontario's coastline. Hidden minutes from the bustle of the city, 13 kilometers, or 8.3 miles as the crow flies, is the breathtaking Scarborough Bluffs. The vibrant marina and the rich history of this natural wonder. Please like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Okay, sit back, relax, and let's dive into the captivating world of Bluffers Park in Scarborough, Ontario. The Scarborough Bluffs are captivating as their beauty. The bluffs were once the shoreline of the prehistoric glacial Lake Iroquois, which existed about 13,000 years ago during the last ice age. The bluffs have been shaped by the forces of nature, including erosion, sedimentation, resulting in the awe-inspiring cliffs we see today. Also known as the Bluffs, this stunning geological formation stretches over 15 kilometers or 9.3 miles along the Lake Ontario shoreline. Towering cliffs reaching up to 90 meters or 295 feet offer a thrilling backdrop for the nature lovers and photographers. The bluffs are a testament to the raw beauty of nature, with their rugged terrain and ever-changing hues that captivate visitors throughout the year. Bluffers Park has been carefully created to offer a glimpse into the area's past. However, Bluffers Park is not just about the majestic cliffs. The beautiful sandy beach provides the perfect setting for a day of relaxation, picnicking, and water activities. With a Blue Flag certification for its excellent water quality, the beach offers a safe and inviting environment for swimming, stand-up paddleboarding, and simply basking in the sun. Be warned, the average water temperature in November is around 8 degrees Celsius or 46 degrees Fahrenheit, with the maximum at 13.7 degrees Celsius or 56 degrees Fahrenheit. A chilly swim for sure. At the heart of Bluffers Park, a vibrant marina beckons boating enthusiasts and sightseers. The marina offers a gateway to explore the stunning coastline with kayaking, canoeing, and sailing. Expect a waiting list should you want to become a member. Whether you're an avid boater or looking to soak in the awesome views, The marina at Bluffers Park provides an unforgettable experience that celebrates the harmony between land and Lake Ontario. The bluffs are currently in a state of consistent and dramatic erosion, with the edge eroding as much as 1 meter per year. Due to this rapid erosion, the edge of the bluffs is unstable and visitors are advised to stay behind the fences and avoid approaching the edge. The hiking trails and designated picnic areas make it a great destination for families and anyone seeking a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of the city. I hope you've been inspired by this remarkable and secluded destination. From the towering cliffs to the tranquil beach and bustling marina, Bluffers Park celebrates the grandeur of the great outdoors. If you get a chance, discover the magic of Bluffers Park, where nature's grandeur meets the serenity of the lake. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informational adventures. Thanks for watching. This is Bob Jones, and I will see you in the next video.